Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thiel Truck Center YouTube channel. I'm Jim Thiel with Thiel Truck Center from Pleasant Valley, Iowa. We are located on the very eastern side of the state of Iowa, right along the beautiful mighty Mississippi River. In the Quad City area, we're only 2 miles off of Interstate 80. So as you're coming through, go ahead and check us out. So hey guys, today we just got in this 2019 Ford F250. Is a Crew Cab LARIAT Ultimate Package. Super beautiful truck, only 77,000 miles. It's got the 6.7 diesel. So the truck came in, tires were a little weak. We had it all serviced up. I went ahead and had my guy do a ready lift on this. We put brand new 35, 12, 50, 20 tires on it on the factory 20-inch wheels. Got it running there. You can hear that 6.7 just purring away. Beautiful truck, sits up just right. Body's in excellent shape, obviously no rust. This is an Aluma body. Super Duty. All right, we got the power boards on this side. Lots of chrome. Factory tow package. Power drop down gate. Factory spring and bed liner. Factory puck system. Got your gooseneck, put it right in there. Beautiful truck, guys. Beautiful, beautiful truck. It's kind of that diamond white, kind of got a pearlescent to it. Cab lights, tinted glass on this one. Like I said, freshly serviced, brand new tires. Still got factory warranty, guys, up to 100,000 miles on that 6.7 diesel. Take a look inside here. Gorgeous. Cream interior. Got the panoramic moonroof, got the navigation, bucket seats, heated and cooled bucket seats on this one. I mean, you couldn't just order a more perfect truck, guys. 77,000 miles. This one still has stock emissions, so it does have factory warranty, all intact. Got the tow mirrors over there. They are power fold. You got a small garage. Just a gorgeous truck, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Ready to pull your trailer, your camper, whatever you got. Now, you know the story. You've seen our channel. There's no one in this area. There's probably no one in the Midwest, and there might be no one in the country that has nicer trucks than we do at the prices we do. This is a 19 F250 Ultimate LARIAT Package with 77,000 miles. We're gonna price this thing at $56,995. Yeah, I know the book price is probably pretty close to $65,000, and yeah, I know most of the Ford dealers down the road are probably asking $70,000, but not us. We have the nicest trucks, nicest prices, best deals around. So, $56,995. That's under 57 grand for this 2019 F250. It's already got the ready lift. It's already got the 35-inch tires. Factory warranty. Just look at that thing's gorgeous. Guys, this is not gonna last, all right? Give us a call, number 563-424-2000. You can hit us up on the web at Thiel Trucks, that's THIEL trucks.com. Smash the subscribe button, see all our trucks all the time. We sell them right, we sell them cheap, and they're the best trucks around, guys. Till next time, have a good one.